Alright, today I'm going to show you how to throw a IS300 welded diff into a silent FRS. Here's the diff right here. It's out of 01 to 06, I believe. Lexus IS300 M96. It's an automatic open diff. Basically all I did was I welded it. I'll throw some pictures in, and made it locked. And apparently they're supposed to bolt right up to the factory location on FRS. So we're gonna figure that out today and see how it fits. First step, jack the car up, get the wheels off, and we're gonna get the axle nuts off, and we're gonna disconnect this bottom control arm bolt and this control arm bolt, and we're gonna slide the hub over to get the axles out. And let's see what we're working with here. Bolts right up down here. Mine's an LS swap, so it's going to be a little bit different than yours, but basically just drive shaft, axles, and these two bolts up here and two bolts down there. Alright, so once you disconnect your axle nut here and you undo your two bottom control arms, just 217 bolts, the arm should swing out here, and you can knock your axle out. Alright, so once you get your axle removed out of the hub, you just slide it like this and pull it out. Probably gonna, depending on what exhaust setup you have, you're probably gonna have to remove your exhaust. Mine's like an LS swap, so mine was in the way, so I just removed half of my exhaust. But the next step would be to probably drain your diff to help make the mess not that bad, and pop out your axles right here. So we're gonna pop that out and drain the fluid, and then after that we're going to undo the drive shaft. Alright, so we've got the drive shaft removed and both axles there and right there. The next step would be to pop out the diff bolts. I have a power brace here, but yours would probably just be these two bolts here, and you can just pop these out, as well as that one, and put a jack underneath it and lower it to the ground. Alright, so I got the diff out, and I have it next to the IS300 diff, and surprisingly they actually look like they're the exact same case, which is probably why it's a direct bolt on, but I thought that was kind of funny. This is like a 150,000 mile like 04 IS300 diff, and I got 20,000 mile 2013 FRS torsion diff. And the reason why I'm swapping diffs is because, well, obviously for drifting you really want to weld a diff, and this is a torsion. They like to open up on like banks and stuff like that, and you can't really have that drifting because it's not controllable. And another reason is I have LS swap in mine, and I don't have a T56, I have a Z32 5-speed in it, and the gear ratio with the 410 and the torsion is just really not ideal. The gearing is really short with the 5-speed already, and with the 410 it's just, first gear is useless. Like it's really, the gearing is just not that long. So hopefully with this is a 3.9, and it should give me a little bit more RPM to play with and a little bit more wheel speed. So that's my plan here, and I already welded this, so ready to throw in, and we'll see how it fits. Alright, so everything's back together, and I've got the diff in. Everything was pretty smooth, to be honest. I mean, it fit like the last one did. The only thing I had trouble with was just getting the axles back into the diff a little bit. I had to hit them a little bit, but besides that, yeah, it fits perfect. Same as the other diff, no issues, no complaints. Just gotta fill it up with some fluid, and we'll see how it roasts the tires.